Like I said, no drama today. Only facts. And the fact is that Juhi, while your dish was very close, yet some key elements were missing. Tanisha, the fact is, it was a neat and clean plate. Best looking plate. Left something to be desired when we tasted it. Hard decisions, but hard decisions have to be taken because the show has to go on and there's only and can only be one winner. Tanisha, that winner is not you. You burnt.
It hit me at that point, but I felt like I knew it was coming. I was already disappointed in myself, so I don't know if I could have felt any lower.
Starting off as a girl who refused to talk to a girl who refused to be quiet, you've given us a lot of memories. The journey for you has just started. Miles to go. How do you feel about your journey on Femme Foodies? Got what you signed up for?
I loved every moment of it. I didn't really know what to expect right from the beginning, but it's been so much fun. It's so creative, and for me, that's very dear to me because I'm half of that artistic, creative person, and I just love every moment of it. I have no regrets, really. Taking away a lot from this show.
I can't forget that sesame curry that she made. That food truck dish will always stay on with us.
I have to congratulate you for always putting up the best-looking dish in the competition. Like you said, you are creative, you're artistic, and that always reflects in your dish. I feel similarly about my dishes sometimes. I like to make them look pretty and beautiful. And the next time I do an event, and I usually do a lot of food styling events, I would love for you to come and shadow me.
Thank you.
You made us taste Gujarat, you made us taste Christmas, you made us taste your perspective every time you went on that truck. We are proud of you.
Thank you. I can be a little proud to say that I did reach the finale week. The top 4 also does mean a lot. But in that moment, I also rejoiced that Juhi was going to make it through because we're both very close to each other and we were hoping it's okay for either one of us to make it through.
Juhi, barely scraped past. Yeah? Is that how you look at your life? Barely scraping past every time?
Not at all.
2 cents of advice? You got talent. Add some effort to it, some sincerity to it. Success is 90% perseverance and 10% talent. You should always remember the trees that go the highest are rooted the deepest. Good luck for the grand finale.
Good luck, Juhi.
You're in the grand finale. All the best.
We can take that apron from you as well. Well, we are right at the edge of our seats and at the edge of the grand finale. Akansha is already there and waiting, and the brilliant Juhi and the ever-surprising Megha are there too. We look forward to it because we believe food can make miracles, and the grand finale is gonna be one miracle that you and we will remember for sure. Don't miss out on any fun. Join us for the grand finale. We will be right back here on Bertolli Presents Femme Foodies riding on Suzuki. Don't go anywhere. Gear up for the grand finale. Take care. Good night for now.